Hello. Trying to do a fun entrance, but here I am. It's been about a month since my last video, and I thought I would just check in to let you guys know how I'm doing and what I've been up to, and give you a chord tutorial for Oh My God. My news, I've been busy, just not on here, so I'm sorry if you've been waiting for new videos. It might be a while because I have Emily Miller and I have been given some funding to work on a de-radicalization project. I don't know how much I can say, so I'm not going to say too much more. And also, it's not going to be in Glasgow until like this time next year. So don't worry about it. I'll do another announcement when it's relevant. But just in case you're wondering where I've been and what I've been doing, that's what I've been up to. Mostly, still pop tunes, still similar aesthetic to when we worked on Space Race together. But that's in the works. And I'm sorry that I don't have a video for you this month. This is the video, and that's that's also all my announcements. So we can get onto the meat transition. Whoa! Here we are at the good old piano. Yeah, I'm gonna split down. So we're gonna learn Oh My God, and I'm gonna split it into two parts. It's a very simple song comparatively to quite a lot of the others, so I thought we should start with learning it. It's also been a month since it came out today, so that's a landmark, milestone, timestamp, anniversary. Let's just learn it, eh? Cool. So yeah, we're gonna break it down into two. First of all, let's do the verse. So the verse is very simple. The song is in A flat, and I'll play it through for you, and we can talk about it. So it's just that, repeating again and again. What I really like about it, I had these chords for a long time before I wrote the song. I think they're maybe 2 years old. Sometimes this happens where I have chords for the longest time and the right vibe doesn't come up. Like there's not many slow Lew-C songs, so these just kind of sat for a very long time. But what I like about them is this pedal tone throughout. So it begins in an A flat and into a C major, second inversion, to a D flat second inversion with a major 7, which is this pedaled C. And then the fourth chord is quite spicy. It's like a C. It's like a C major on the bottom, second inversion, so with the G. But on top there is this sharp 9. I recommend putting this. So you've got. It's probably a bad way to think about it, but you've got both the major and minor third of C in there. But this hand walks down. I find it easier. What I was going to say is keep the. Yeah, this hand I'd keep higher up because the dissonance can get a little overwhelming if you put it down in this hand. So do like a. It doesn't separate. So it walks down to F minor, to E flat major 6. The 6 is the pedaled C, to a D flat major 7, to a D flat minor major 7. I really love this bit at the end is like the classic 4 minor 4 1 change, like this. Except it's got that 7, which I think is really bizarre, especially on the last chord. It adds a lot of color, and I think it's really nice. because I guess that's like the murder mystery chord, right? Overlapping next. But here it's about Jesus. Cool. So that's the verse. That's all there is to it. So let's move on to the chorus. The first bit is just this A flat major, C minor with a G on the bottom, F minor. D flat major, E flat major, and you can walk back up. Except the second time round I think of as like a spooky inversion of the first time. So the first time you've got major, minor, minor. This time it's A flat major to C major, throw in the 7 to F minor, and then it jumps down to what is D flat minor. You can throw in the major 7 as well. Get back to our murder mystery chord, to E flat major, but it doesn't stay there long. It kind of bridges the gap with another C7. From the top of the chorus. A flat major, C minor, F minor, D flat major, E flat major, boom, 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 A flat major, C major 7, F minor, D flat minor, major 7, E flat, C7, C7, and then we arrive on an F minor 9. C flat 13, so with an E on the bottom, so it's like an F minor 9, except if you're on piano I've just moved the F down a semitone to the E, to a D flat major 7, to a B flat 7 add 9, and the 9's important here, so that's with D on the bottom, so D, F, A flat, B, C. And then back into the A flat. Last time is a little different because it goes to a G diminished before it goes to the F minor. So each of those are a little different. The first one's the C minor, the second one's the C major, and the last one is with the G diminished. And then it goes to G flat, to D flat, to A flat. Is that a double plagal? A little double plagal at the end for all those Hey Jude fans out there, or elbow. They're the only instances I can think of off the top of my head. We love a double plagal. Who doesn't? Sing along. Right. So all together, put the chords up there because saying them out loud is a bit of a jumble. But here it is. There we go. I was a little stuttery on some of those. Don't read into it. I know how to play my own music. I don't just type it all into the computer and then have to learn it after the fact. What are you talking about? But yeah, I hope this was helpful in learning what I think is one of my nicest songs. Feel free to play it. Let me know how you get on. That'd be really nice. Is there anything else? Oh, there's also the fun during the chorus. One of those chords it's the C flat 13 or I've always thought of it as an A flat augmented, but I guess I don't know what you'd call it. It doesn't really matter. But you can play a Phrygian flat 4 over it if you're if you're so inclined. I don't know who this information is for, but hey, if you fancy a spicy solo, yeah, feel free to stick a Phrygian flat 4 in that. That was something I discovered after I'd written the tune. So sadly, it's not in the mix, but it could be in the remix. Am I right?